Lorelai is going to show us how to make a snow angel. All right. Do you remember? Stop. Right there's a good spot, Lorelai. We got to find the perfect spot. Oh, you want to show us your snowman? Good girl. Oh, that's a beautiful snow angel, baby. Look at the camera. Tell everybody what's happening, Lorelai. What's happening?
No.
It's snow.
Yeah.
Yay, let's take a picture of everything. Let's go around and look at everything so we can remember. It'll probably be a long time before you see this again. All right, let's stop on our snowman. We'll finish him later. Here, can you tell everybody bye-bye?